So now you're talking about things that you can approach the business with, right? Okay, on the data science side, yeah, I wrote this wrong. Let me rewrite that. So here, coming back to one of the questions that was in the chat, can we predict something? Yes, and we can. We can predict on who's better for retirement. There's a couple of personal attributes in here, right? We have the ages, we have the merit status, the income levels, things like that. Yes, that's very much a model we could develop to say, here's the factors that predict somebody who's going to be well prepared for retirement.